future of agriculture doesn't happen by chance. It is designed, built, and perfected. At Huete Greenhouses, we have been transforming the way the world cultivates for 30 years, developing high-tech greenhouses that drive productivity, efficiency, and sustainability. From our headquarters in Spain and Mexico, we design and manufacture tailored agricultural solutions, combining innovation, top-quality materials, and cutting-edge technology. We don't just build greenhouses, we create opportunities for growers to produce more with fewer resources anywhere in the world. Our experience has led us to build agricultural projects with greenhouses in more than 35 countries, adapting to all types of climates and crops, from tomatoes in arid climates, strawberries in controlled environments, medicinal cannabis in high-precision greenhouses, and even blueberries in state-of-the-art hydroponic systems. Sustainability is our commitment. We design greenhouses that optimize water usage, protect the soil, and reduce environmental impact, ensuring the perfect balance between profitability and respect for the planet. But what truly sets us apart is our approach. We don't just build greenhouses, we build trusted relationships with our clients. Because we understand that every grower faces unique challenges, and our mission is to turn those challenges into success stories. After 30 years of innovation, we continue to look ahead. More technology, more innovation, more smart solutions to keep leading the evolution of agriculture. Huete Greenhouses, where agriculture and innovation come together to transform the world. Ready to take your production to the next level? Learn more at huete.com.